If you've ever preferred handhelds over consoles, Retroid just released a bunch of information about its upcoming Pocket Nova handheld. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. According to a report by Time Extension, the upcoming handheld from Retroid features a Qualcomm QCS8550 processor, which is extremely similar to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This means that the Pocket Nova will likely be a powerful machine with enough juice to run PS2 and GameCube games. Apart from the inside power, it has got a 4.5-inch AMOLED display, offers a 4:3 screen resolution, which also happens to be a great fit for PS2 and GameCube games. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery with USB-C fast charging and integrates with both Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5. It's fairly light, weighing under 9 ounces, and includes a micro SD slot for additional storage. However, the best part is the price. The Pocket Nova starts at just $229, though that's the entry-level version with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. A model with 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage costs $269. It's available to pre-order already, but that does not mean you will get it right away because there's no release date just yet. Retroid has been on the radar of many handheld fans for a while now and has consistently pumped out high-quality portable consoles. The company's previous release, Pocket 6, featured an actual Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and could also handle games from the PS2 and GameCube generation. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.